is the crucial NVIDIA Control Panel missing from your system, leaving you stranded without access to your graphics card's powerful settings. Don't worry, this is a common issue and will get you back in control first. Let's make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. This is the most frequent culprit. Head over to the official NVIDIA website, navigate to their driver download section, and use the tools provided to automatically detect or manually select your graphics card model and operating system, download and install the latest recommended driver for your system. Make sure to choose a clean installation if the option is presented. This removes old driver files that might be causing conflicts. While the driver installation completes, let's restart NVIDIA's background services. Press Ctrl+Shift+S on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Look for any processes related to NVIDIA, such as NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA Telemetry Container, or NVIDIA Local System Container. Select each of these, right-click and choose End Task. Once they're all ended, you'll find them automatically restart when you next log into Windows, hopefully bringing the control panel with them. If not, a simple computer restart will also achieve this. Still no luck? Sometimes the NVIDIA Control Panel needs elevated permissions to launch correctly. Try right-clicking on the NVIDIA Control Panel shortcut, if you can find one, perhaps in your Applications folder, and selecting Run as Administrator. If you don't have a shortcut, you can find the executable file in your NVIDIA driver installation directory, usually located in C/Program Files /NVIDIA Corporation /NV Surface /NVSV Sex, or similar, and run that as administrator. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to reinstall the NVIDIA Control Panel itself. Go back to the Windows Settings app, then navigate to Apps and Features. Search for NVIDIA Control Panel. In the list, select it and choose Uninstall. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. Then you can re-download the NVIDIA driver package from the NVIDIA website during the driver installation. Ensure you select the option to install the NVIDIA Control Panel. This fresh installation should resolve any lingering corruption. With these steps, you should now be able to access your NVIDIA Control Panel and fine-tune your graphics settings for optimal performance. Happy customizing!